Welcome back to another episode. On today's episode, we are going to be going to the Pa Lu U Waterfall. It's about an hour and 15-minute scooter ride from Hua Hin, which is where we currently are. We're on our way there now. If you see this thing behind me on your way there, it means you're heading in the right direction. And I'll show you along the way, and let's go. After you get about 30 minutes into the drive to the waterfall, the traffic will calm down a lot. The first part of the drive is kind of crazy on a scooter, a lot of trucks and everything. But after that, along the way, it's just a lot of farmland. As you can see to my left here, there's some pineapple growing on the side of the road. This little spot that you will drive through is the entrance to the national park. The last section of the road has caution elephant signs, and I haven't seen any yet, but there is a lot of elephant poop in the road and some monkeys back there, so just be careful you don't run over any poop. The road leading to Pa Lu U Waterfall is stunning. The roads wind over the mountains of the national park. We have arrived at Pa Lu U Waterfall. Two in a motorbike.
670. Show ticket inside.
Show ticket at the end of the road? Alright, thank you. The national park is a protected rainforest that holds diverse wildlife such as leopards, elephants, and gibbons, just to mention a few. There are also tigers, but not as common as before. After you pay the park, you gotta drive about another 4 kilometers to where the second entrance is, where you park and present your ticket to the park ranger. The national park extends 2,914 kilometers from the south to the north, hugging the Myanmar border to the west. The fish to my left here, they are a type of carp, and there are a lot of them. The waterfall has different levels. It starts with level 1 and it goes up, level 2, level 3. I'm not sure how high it goes yet, but we're heading up now. On our way to level 2, there's a food drop-off spot, so I think if you bring food with you, you need to leave it at that last shack back there at level 1. Seems like they don't want you to have food anywhere else here. Behind me is level 2. Levels 1 and 2 are a very easy hike from the parking lot. To get to levels 3, 4, and 5 requires a little more of a hike. Not only are there a lot of fish here, there are also a lot of butterflies. There's thousands of them just flying everywhere. There's just butterflies everywhere. It's kind of, I don't know if you've ever been to one of those like butterfly places where it's a giant net and all the butterflies. It's kind of like one of those without the net. If I was a butterfly that flew faster than all of the other butterflies, would I be a better fly? Level 2 is full of butterflies, and now we are going to head to level 3 next. All around me, where we presently are, is level 3. Take a look. Now let's go see what level 4 has to offer. Levels 1, 2, and 3 are all right next to each other. But now going from 3 to 4 involves a little bit of a hike. Usually easy paths without obstacles don't lead anywhere good. Behind me is level 4. As Jimi Hendrix once said, I can see my rainbow calling me through the misty breeze of my waterfall. I once met a man that used to waltz in a Speedo in his closet because he didn't have any ballroom. We're now on our way to level 5. Level 4 is way better than level 1, 2, and 3, but it takes a little bit of a hike, but it's definitely worth the hike. And now we're gonna go look at number 5. 5, follow me. Okay, finally at the top, level number 5. This is as high as you go. Behind me there's a do not enter, this is the last point sign. But level 5, that's another nice waterfall over here. More carp, plenty of carp. There are places for swimming at level 4 and at level 5, so don't forget your Speedo. Another nice stop on your way back to Hua Hin from the waterfall, which isn't really out of the way, is the Hua Hin Temple. I'm still working on how to say a lot of these Thai words. Well, that concludes another episode. Thank you for joining me on my tour of the waterfall. The waterfall was okay. The best part about this waterfall is all the butterflies that land all over you the whole time and all the fish that you can pet if you'd like. So don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.